Hey everyone, so we're starting a trip. Well, I started a few hours ago, but we're starting our first trip of the summer. We are going to Michigan. Well, if we're going to Michigan, why the hell are we in Canada? I'll answer that question later. But yeah, last exit before Canada, and you can't film at the border crossing, so I'm going to turn this off. But yeah, hopefully, if all goes according to plan, I will be embarking on this trip for over a week, and we'll see how it goes with my shoulder, my injuries, and everything else. Oh, this sucks. So we're about 15 miles from Montreal. We're going around Montreal, but I've actually never had traffic on this highway before. There's Montreal on the right. not the big ass truck, but the city of Montreal's right there. Oh, I actually don't mind. I wouldn't mind stopping in Montreal for a night. I like visiting here. Good food. It's an expensive city, but good place to hang out for a day or two. All right, we are going 136 Est. All right. Huh. That can't be right. I don't think I'm going to Montreal Center. No way I'm going to Montreal Center. Yeah. That's why it makes sense to like be logical sometimes. Because you know, sometimes if you're literally following like something like lane guidance, I'd be going towards Montreal at this point, not Toronto. Oh my god, real sushi. So exciting. Lunchtime. I'm not trying to just show you guys clips of traffic, but on my right is Ottawa. And we're heading to Ottawa now, well, through it slowly. Alright, so we're rolling into Pembroke, Ontario. You can look up the Champlain Trail Museum if you want a real-time location. Oh, it is 84 degrees. It was like 45. I left the house this morning. I actually don't know where I am, but I am. I know that I'm about 40 or 50 minutes from the campground. And I looked at the map 3 or 4 hours ago back in Montreal, and it looked like there was no restaurant or gas station or anything by the camp. And so I thought, well, there's an LCBO here for liquor, and there's a grocery store here. It's going to be a while, so got an hour and a half to go before we're there. That killed about an hour to fuel up, get some water, get a sandwich to go, and then of course do the typical time on an iPad. Oh, it's windy. We're definitely up in the park now. Yep. Starting to see a lot of lakes. We're going along this river. It's actually the result of a hydro dam. Big surprise. We're in northern Canada. Not northern Canada, but we are north of the population center. A lot of ATV trails. The one issue that I found about this whole riding up here, for me and my condition, sand. So I was going to actually do this trip where I went to a rally in Maine, and then I went south to down the Blue Ridge Parkway, and then take the Mid-Atlantic VER from Virginia north. You know, very predictable terrain. And I showed this ride to people and the other ride to people, and they were like, oh, you should definitely go north. If the weather's good, go north. So here we are. But I will admit, all of like this this lower Ontario, Michigan, Missouri, Minnesota, Michigan, Illinois, New York, it's all like lake basin. So like all of the off-road trails are just sand. Hopefully I'm wrong. I want to do some off-roading this week, but I'm in like not really in the condition to do any hard off-roading. So we'll see. But I'm seeing lots of sand. They're there. They're open for the season? They are open for the season. I should just stay there instead. Send myself 2 hours of extra driving. That's nice. Look at that. Yeah, so we got two rivers, I guess, are converging here. They've got a boat ramp. There's a little bridge over there, it looks like. Yeah. Oh, interesting. So can you cross there? No. That's weird. There's a bridge over there. Wow. Oh. Holy crap, seriously. Look at this. We have a very well shaken up burrito when we're done here. Oh, park office is coming up. So, she confirmed 50 kilometers an hour maximum? Holy crap! I can't do 50K for 44 kilometers. That's why this is like this, though. This is so yeah, it's over 40 kilometers to Brent Campground. She said they just got done cleaning up. They just opened for the year, so it's gorgeous down there. But that I said there any washouts or road issues. She's like, no, it's perfect. Don't no issues at all. You'll be fine. Have a great time. And luckily, this was not graded yet. It's not sloppy like some of the other Quebec gravel roads. It's gonna be a long drive. It's supposedly long weekend in Canada, which is the week before Memorial Day for USA. At least that's the way I think I'm interpreting it. So I'm looking for campsite 6. Oh, nice mosquito weather. Oh, that's 7. All right. Perfect, right by the skeeters. Perfect. Wow, look at this. Oh my God, you guys. Okay. All right. All right, this is going to be a nice little photo moment. Perfect. What a great campsite. Come on. Got some Canadian geese over here and some seagulls. Seagulls. Huh. All right, let's get set up. We're on, I think, Cedar Lake, Brent Campground in Algonquin Park, Ontario. No drones flying here allowed, so we have to kind of make do with what we have. But look at these birds. That's where the Canadian geese come from. That's the origin right there for every Canadian geese in America. That's the primary nesting grounds of the entire Canadian geese population. But yeah, obviously the black flies are out, so I'm in black fly mode. Eating dinner soon. But yeah, this campsite wasn't taken, and I don't know why. Got the bike perfectly placed, and we have the tent all set up. It's very windy. I've got gusts of about 20-25 miles an hour so far, but it's supposed to be a very windy night, so I got the guidelines out. I'm gonna drink some whiskey, eat my burrito, and I'll get some extra protein for the black flies. I'll record again, and that actually looks really good. It looks really good. Where do the flies show up? Well, I'm gonna read and drift off to sleep. Day one in the bag. Good night, everyone.